Sure to like you, so your opinion's talking big like somebody's listening, nobody's listening. It's so fun and gaming, feel like this thing talking out loud. As long as it's with you.
So what am I leaving? If your body was so magnetic, before I knew it, we talked and think about you and cocktail.
I cried for you. Tell me why you left me bleeding. Close your eyes.